You're watching the Weiss channel. Today I'm talking about parallel lines. Parallel lines. Okay, right here you have two parallel lines. You see those red arrows? The red arrows mean parallel, but the two lines are parallel. Parallel means they do not intersect. So if two parallel lines are cut by a transversal, what's a transversal? That's this line here. I don't know why they have to make such a funky word for it, transversal. If two lines are cut by a transversal, then angle 3 is equal to angle 6. All right? So are these two angles on the same side of this line here, or are they on alternate sides? They're on alternate sides. Are they on the interior of these two parallel lines, or are they on the exterior? They're on the interior, so we call them alternate interior angles. Angle 3 is congruent. Congruent, this is the sign that means congruent, and equals with a squiggly above it means congruent. So angle 3 is congruent to angle 6. Congruent is the same as equal. Congruent means same size and shape. Okay. Not only does angle 3 equal or is congruent to angle 6, but angle 4 is congruent to angle 5. Okay. So alternate interior angles are congruent. Alternate interior angles are congruent. Also, alternate exterior angles are congruent. Angle 2 is congruent to angle 7. Angle 1 is congruent to angle 8. Alternate exterior angles are congruent. Angle 2 is congruent to 7. 1 is congruent to 8. Okay. Here, angle 4 is the bottom right angle of these four angles. Angle 8 is the bottom right angle of these four angles. Angle 4 corresponds with angle 8. So these are corresponding angles. Corresponding angles are congruent. Not only does angle 4 congruent to angle 8, angle 1 is congruent to angle 5. Angle 1 and angle 5. Angle 2 is congruent to angle 6. Angle 3 is congruent to angle 7, as well as angle 4 and angle 8. These two are called same side interior angles or consecutive interior angles. Consecutive meaning one after the other. These two are consecutive in terms of where they are located. Okay? So notice that they are not equal. This one is clearly bigger than 90 degrees. This one is clearly less than 90 degrees. However, consecutive interior angles add up to 180 degrees. Okay? So angle 4 plus angle 6 equals 180. Angle 3 plus angle 5 equals 180. Okay? Angle A and angle B are called vertical angles. Vertical angles are equal. Angle C and angle D are called vertical angles. Vertical angles are congruent. Okay? Vertical angles are congruent. Angle A is congruent to angle B. Angle C is congruent to angle D. Okay. Now, angle A and angle B are clearly not equal. Angle A is bigger than 90. Angle B is less than 90. Okay. But angle A and angle B also add up to 180. A straight line is 180 degrees. This is a straight line here, right? That's 180. So angle A plus angle B equals 180. Angle C plus angle D equals 180. They are called a linear pair because they make a straight line, right? Linear, the word line is inside linear. So linear pairs add up to 180. A plus B equals 180. C plus D equals 180. All right, so find the measure of each angle. Okay, so vertical angles. If this is 82 degrees, this is 82 degrees. If this is 82 degrees, angle 6 is 82 degrees from alternate interior angles. And if angle 6 is 82 degrees, then this is 82 degrees. So this is 82, this is 82, this is 82, this is 82. And now if this and this is 82, then you do 180 minus 82, and this will be 98, right? Angle 1 is 98, so this is 98. This is 98, this is 98, right? So if this guy's 115, angle 3 is 115, right? Alternate interior angles are congruent. And if this is 115, this is 115. If this is 115, this is 115. And if this here is 115 and this is 115, then angle 1 is going to be 65, right? Because 115 from 180 leaves you with 65. And if this is 65, this is 65, and this is 65, and this is 65. Easy. If this is 127, this is 127. This is 127, this is 127. And if this guy's 127, then this guy's going to be 53. This will be 53, this will be 53, this will be 53, this will be 53. Easy. Okay. This is 43, this is 43, this is 43, this is 43. And then this one will be 137, 137, 137, 137. Okay. Solve for x. Okay, what do we know about this angle and this angle? This angle and this angle, they're alternate interior angles, which means they're equal, right? Okay, so if they're equal, I set them equal to each other. 18x plus 4 equals 17x plus 11, right? 18x plus 4 equals 17x plus 11. I'm going to minus 17x from both sides and get x plus 4 equals 11. Minus 4 from both sides, x equals 7. Easy. Here, these are alternate exterior angles. Okay, so I'm going to set them equal. 13x plus 3 equals 120. All right, 13x plus 3 equals 120. Minus 3 from both sides, 13x equals 117. Divide by 13, x equals 9. Easy. Vertical angles, they're equal. 15x minus 4 equals 56. Okay, 15x minus 4 equals 56. Add 4 to both sides, 15x equals 60. Divide by 15, x equals 4. Now these are consecutive interior. Remember, these add up to 180. So I'm going to say 8x plus 6 plus 13x plus 6 equals 180. Okay. Then I'm going to add the 8x and the 13x to get 21x. 6 plus 6 is 12 equals 180. Minus 12 from both sides, 21x equals 168. Divide 21. X equals 8. You've been watching the Weiss channel.